wait to reach there. Okay, बहुत बड़ा पोपट हो चुका है हमारा. In the morning and you can see our halat, me and Cherry and others as well. So we have almost reached Statue of Unity, just a couple of kilometers away. We haven't had lunch because we had a heavy breakfast, but now we are hungry. So we'll see, we'll grab something close to or at the Statue of Unity once we reach there. And our target was to reach here during the daytime because we are obviously we are going to watch the night show, but then also seeing it during the daytime is important. So yeah, we finally made it. Okay, so we are just right close to the Statue of Unity, and like there is a petrol pump opposite to this Ekta Nagar that you see here. Like, I'll show you around. This Indian Oil petrol pump, and there is a CNG Gujarat gas pump out here. So the toilet is really bad. It's in a bad state, like the worst possible state out here. So please don't go to the toilet here. There's no water, nothing. The toilet here is clean. The water is also good. But I think they should just improve on this one. And it's also the problem with us not using the toilet the right way, not flushing after using the toilet and throwing the pads here and there. So please, women, girls, please use it properly, like the way you would use it at your home, because as travelers it becomes really very difficult for us to use such toilets. Please do that. Yeah. So I usually carry a toilet seat sanitizer with me. This is you can take any toilet seat sanitizer from a local chemist around you, because this will make it at least bearable for you to go and use the toilet. Even if it's clean, it's always stinking, so you can at least use the toilet. Chalo, I can't wait to reach there. Entering the parking lot. This is the parking. Car and four-wheeler is $50. आने लाई जे अंदर नहीं. Okay, dogs are not allowed, so I guess someone will have to stay back and then go, something of that sort, or we'll have to ask someone to take care of her. Let's see what we can do. Hungry people, no time for lunch. So excited to watch Statue of Unity. So this is the help desk, and we just inquired if you know, there's a space for Cherry, if someone can take care of her. They said that no, their pets are not allowed in the premises. I understand, of course, but then we can take her up to the premises and someone can wait and take turns to take care of her. So we're going to do that with Cherry. Okay, we are here. We have reached the ticket counter. So you have to, there are two ways to go. You can either take a rickshaw or a bus to go to the Statue of Unity. We will be, so we are 8 of us, and we will be taking Cherry in the rickshaw because she's not allowed in the bus. The rickshaw costs 110 bucks and the bus is free with the ticket.
लाइट एंड साउंड शो, हाँ लाइट एंड साउंड जो फुल है, फुल हो गया तो सिर्फ ऊपर तक, मतलब ऊपर तक जा सकते हैं. ऊपर भी फुल हो गया, ऊपर का भी फुल हो गया.
तो फिर अभी ओके बहुत बड़ा पोपट हो चुका है हमारा, बिकॉज हम बोल रहे थे कि बुकिंग करना चाहिए ऑनलाइन. वी थॉट दैट यहाँ के भी मिल जाएगा, बट नहीं मिल रहे हमको टिकट्स. एवरीथिंग इज़ फुल and some of the things are available which doesn't make sense. So now we have an option to check it out when we are returning. So we were just checking online, like कल परसों का भी tickets full ही दिखा रहा है. So too many people coming here and that's a good thing. मतलब ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिमांड में ये जगह. बट अभी हम क्या करेंगे, अभी हम रिटर्न में जब आएंगे तभी हम आराम से सब कुछ देखेंगे. तो हमने देखा है 5th और 6th के आसपास काफ़ी सारी टिकट्स अवेलेबल है. तो आई थिंक टुडे वी विल जस्ट चॉक आउट आर रिटर्न डेट्स एंड देन वी विल अकॉर्डिंगली बुक इट नाउ इटसेल्फ, बिकॉज बाद में तो मिलता ही नहीं है टिकट्स. एंड वी वांट टू एक्चुअली सी एवरीथिंग नाउ दैट वी हैव कम हियर विद द होल फैमिली.